Marketing used to be about intuition, guessing what people want and hoping your message hits the mark. But today, AI gives us something far better: precision. In this video, we'll break down exactly how artificial intelligence is transforming marketing, from ad targeting to content creation, and how you can use it right now, even if you're not a tech expert. The marketing world has changed more in the past 3 years than in the previous 30. AI tools can now predict customer behavior, write persuasive copy, design visuals, and even manage campaigns automatically. Whether you're a small business owner, content creator, or digital marketer, AI isn't just a nice-to-have. It's your new competitive edge. Let's explore the 5 biggest ways AI is reshaping modern marketing and the tools that make it all possible. 1. Personalization at scale. AI can analyze thousands of customer data points in seconds, turning generic campaigns into personalized experiences. Tools like HubSpot AI and Persado help you tailor emails, landing pages, and ads to each viewer's preferences automatically. It's like having a full marketing team that knows every customer by name. 2. Smarter ad targeting. Instead of spending weeks testing ads, AI platforms like Meta Advantage Plus, Google Ads Smart Bidding, and Albert.ai learn in real time which messages convert. They optimize budget, copy, and audience segments, so your ad spend goes further. You can literally run data-driven campaigns that improve themselves while you sleep. 3. AI-driven content creation. AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic can generate ad copy, blog posts, and even social captions that match your brand tone. Combine that with Canva Magic Studio or Runway ML for graphics and short video ads, and you've got a full creative department in your laptop. 4. Predictive analytics for decision-making. Instead of guessing what works, AI tells you what will work. Platforms like Pecan AI and ChatGPT, advanced data analysis can forecast campaign performance, identify churn risks, and even suggest the best day to launch. You get to make marketing decisions backed by real-time data, not hunches. 5. Real-time optimization. AI tools don't just analyze, they act. ActiveCampaign. AI, for example, automatically adjusts email timing and subject lines based on when your audience is most likely to open them. Hootsuite AI or Buffer Analyze recommends the best times to post on social media for engagement. You're no longer reacting, you're predicting. 6. Human creativity meets AI efficiency. The best marketers today use AI as a partner, not a replacement. You bring the creativity and vision. AI handles the data, delivery, and optimization. That's the formula for modern marketing success: intuition plus intelligence. AI is no longer the future of marketing. It's the engine driving it. The question isn't if you should use it, it's how fast you can adapt. Start small. Automate your email follow-ups, test AI ad copy, or let predictive tools guide your next campaign. Once you see how much time and money it saves, you'll never go back.